Now I'm going to trace this as a pattern. To do so, I have a quick way to trace this pattern shape right here. So I just need to come over here to the transform pattern tool, click on it, then click on that. You see, one click we select all this internal shape. It's really cool. Then I'm going to switch back to the trace tool, then press on the shift key on the keyboard and then click one right here to select the last line that we want to trace. Then I'm going to release the shift key and then right click and then select trace as a pattern. Okay, now I'm going to zoom out here and I want to place it maybe somewhat in here, right there, okay? After that, I'm going to unfold that sleeve. To unfold the sleeve, I'm going to switch to this edit pattern tool, click on it, then come back and click on that right there, that center line, right click, and select unfold as symmetric edging pattern, okay? Okay, so I'm going to check a couple things here. I'm going to create a guideline. Just bring it down here and I want to pull it in. So this is what we want here. You see this handle? We want that kind of right below. Instead of up out here, we want it down here, okay? So either level with the guideline or right down a little below the guideline. That will be fine. Alright, so next we are going to check the sleeve and the sleeve cap measurement. To do so, I'm going to click one right here. Then come down here, as you can see, we have 44.95. After that, I'm going to come over here and click one on this armhole. Then come over here to this front. Click on it and right here is 44.66. So the sleeve cap is a little bit bigger than the armhole itself, but that's okay because we want the sleeve cap a little bit loose fitted to the armhole. Next, I'm going to click one on a page to deselect.